I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select PyForms as a trigger. Click the Fetch button, then go to the PyForms page and fill it with data to retrieve it. PyForms fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Action Demio. Give here an API key and API secret key. So please visit the Demio API key and API secret key. Copy the Demio API key and API secret key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to the Demio site and refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Demio site. Thanks for watching.